Uh,
they are so lucky that they are studying in the school. They see like all students,
okay.
but they are only working hard.
Oh, they are working.
Yes.
Okay. So you want to do something for them?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think exactly? What is your plan?
We need to take. We need to have the program in our school for the maintenance staff. And because we celebrate Children's Day, Teachers' Day, even your birthday also.
Okay.
So, whenever a maintenance staff, auntie birthday is there, otherwise uncle, so we never celebrate their birthday, only wish them happy birthday.
Oh, okay. That's right. Do you want me to? Maybe it's a good idea. So, do you want me to call them on the assembly here on the stage and wish them on their birthday?
No, not like that. We will wish, but we want to keep a program, a special day for them.
A special day for them.
We haven't tell any auntie that we are holding a program because it's a surprise for them.
Oh, okay. Like a Teacher's Day, Children's Day, Maintenance Staff Day, right? Okay. That's a good idea.
How did this idea came to your mind?
Because we discuss a lot about studies and etc. games also,
No.
and we are best friends of each other, so we got this idea.
Okay, which class are you from?
4B.
4th B. Okay. What's your name?
Ishanti.
Ishanvi. And your name? Anatha. Did you discuss this matter with your friends in the class?
No, only with her.
Oh, only both of you.
We have also one.
And you are planning to discuss it with your student, with the other students in the class?
No.
So you don't
Because
plan.
it's a surprise for them also.
Oh, it must be
Because
surprise.
one student with us.
Why did you stop talking to me when that Andy came here?
Because it's a surprise for them.
Oh, okay, you wanted it to be a surprise for them. Oh, okay. Yeah.
So, Father, shall we keep a program?
We will keep a program for them. Okay. What day you suggest for that program? What day?
I'm not forcing you, but just.
You are not forcing me. You said you are not forcing me. Okay, that's okay. You are not forcing me, but that's a suggestion. Good suggestion.
We are now also discussing about the date about the maintenance staff.
Okay. You will discuss it.
Yes.
Do you plan to discuss it with your class teacher?
We also decided that we can keep it on every Saturday or once in a year on Saturday.
Once in a year on a Saturday.
Yes.
Okay. Once in a year on a Saturday. Yeah, that is not a bad idea.
Permission of our class teacher and we came in here.
Oh, you took permission of your class teacher before you came into my cabin. Okay, good. That's a good. Yeah, good girls. And what did you have your tiffin?
Yes.
Did you? Okay, both of you? Okay.
We ate so fastly for
You ate very fast so that you could come to my cabin to discuss this matter regarding the maintenance staff. You feel they are not being honored enough, right?
in assembly, whenever I see maintenance staff auntie, they means for example, one boy otherwise one girl, they have sickness and illness. So she pick them and take them to the.
See, that is what they do. When a child falls down or when he is hurt somewhere, they just carry the child in her hand.
We take them to the health room.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
It's not good for them. We need to hold the program for them.
Yeah, we have to follow the program.
Are
So,
you thankful to them?
Yes.
yeah.
Do you wish them any auntie or duty by class?
Yes.
Do you know them by their names? Some of them at least.
No, only which auntie stands in the recess. I know her.
Which are stands in the recess by your class.
Yes,
Yeah, okay. You know her name. What's her name?
I know two names of one.
Okay. You know two names, right? What are those names?
Bindu and Jashi.
Okay. Indu auntie and Jayashree auntie. Okay, good.
Only one thing I know because I live in this.
Varsha auntie.
Varsha.
Varsha auntie.
So, Father, I want to say that before Children's Day, shall
Before Children's Day. Children's Day is on the 2nd. So we don't know really if we have time left before Children's Day to arrange this program. But this is your school coordinator teacher. She will fix a time say a little program. We have tonight a little program, and then maybe.
Like, they are so much insisting. We
Yeah.
can plan it out.
Yeah.
But tomorrow in the assembly, we can call all of them and ask the children to clap.
And maybe we will honor them with a shawl or something. Maintenance staff day. Tomorrow is maintenance staff day. Then. We will honor them with a shawl. Is that okay? And we will give them a flower. Is that okay? We will buy a few shawls and give to them, and we will give them a flower. And you will come to the stage and maybe shake hands with them, representing all the students of the school.
Yes, Father, your decision is very good, but I want to be good and big program for them, not with these shorts.
Right.
Means for a speech and for
Okay.
a dance.
Will you? Okay. Tomorrow itself. Will you be ready to give a speech?
Otherwise, we can have it on Monday also. Because tomorrow we will be busy with the practice.
With what practice?
We have to put on the stage.
Children's day practice. But during the assembly only. During the assembly, she will give. Which one of you will give a speech? Are you ready to give a speech tomorrow? Any, who? You or you?
Father, shall we
Ah.
both can give speech?
Yeah, both of you can give a speech, not a problem. Both of you, ready? Yeah, so we will begin it. Tomorrow we will begin it. And next year we will have a bigger program. Okay, tomorrow, for this year we will give them a shawl and we give them a flower, and you, both of you will give a speech. Okay, tomorrow they will be on the stage.
Yes, but Father, I'm not forcing you.
Ah.
Just a request.
You are making a request to me, you are not forcing me. Okay.
Shall we give only one dance and one drama for them?
Tomorrow it's not possible because children need time to practice. But next year we will certainly have, let us see, all the beginnings are small beginnings. Okay, so we are going to begin it tomorrow. And the next year we will have dances, maybe skit also added to that. Is that okay? So tomorrow will be known as Maintenance Staff Day. We will declare it Maintenance Staff Day. Teacher will announce it before we disperse the school today. Teacher will announce it on the night. Tomorrow is going to be Maintenance Staff Day, and maintenance staff will be honored during the assembly tomorrow. Okay? So that day, see, because you came to me today, every year this day will be known as Maintenance Staff. Is that right, ma'am?
1st December.
First December, Maintenance Staff Day. 1st December. Or the end of this is the end of November. Today, the last day of November.
30th November we have
Is especially ethnic day. So immediately after the tomorrow will be known as a maintenance staff day. Okay, every year, because you came to the principal discussing the matter. Is that okay? That's a good thing. Yeah. Anything else?
Father, I want to say that we will clean our class only for tomorrow.
You will clean you yourselves will clean your classroom. Is that what you said?
Class students.
Yeah.
Maintenance staff aunties will not clean. Yes.
Yeah, but let maintenance staff and do their work, but you can help them in the cleaning. You can.
Yes.
Okay, let them do their work, because teachers have to teach. They do not have that time to supervise and see whether the classes are clean or not. But maintenance staff and will do that. But we will honor them tomorrow in a special day during the assembly. And both of you come ready with a speech. Can you? You can even read out the speech with the paper in your hand. You can do that. Okay. And yeah, maybe you both can give the flowers to the maintenance staff and others. Right? Good. Is that okay, ma'am? That's a good idea. Yeah.
So, Father, means whenever on that day, which day was that, now we celebrate.
reading and sharing.
Now only, 3 days ago.
2 days back, what there was Constitution.
Yeah, Constitution Day. 2 girls, even a speech in a dress up look.
concept like that. You can come in your school uniform. It's not important at all. Yeah, it's not important. So tomorrow you will come ready. You will not be absent tomorrow, right? You will be
Come and
present.
stand near the stage. Okay?
Yeah, come and meet this teacher. She is your school coordinator teacher. Her name is Supriya ma'am. Supriya ma'am. Right. Yeah. Good.
Father, shall we decorate the stage for?
We will do all such things in the next celebration. Okay. Tomorrow you will not have time, but we will just give it a beginning. This year, humble beginning, small beginning. Next year it will be big thing. Okay.
Yes.
Good. So, ma'am, next school planner mentioned 1st of December as a maintenance staff day, and it has a history. You write up this thing that this children came and all this.
Shakti and Ananda of
Mm.
4th. Very nice.
Anything else?
No, but I know that in our school chocolates are not allowed.
Not allowed.
If chocolates shall be given to them only for tomorrow.
Andy?
Huh?
To the Andes?
Yes.
To the maintenance staff?
Yes, and uncle also. I forgot their name.
Okay.
That's why we
Ma'am.
are distributing. We are taking chocolates. Like she will take 10 chocolates, I will take 10 chocolates, and we will distribute. We both will distribute to the aunties. Yes.
Only to the Andes, not your friends. Only to the Andes.
Yes.
When you give the flower, you can give that chocolate also.
Yes.
Okay? Not to anybody else.
No, no.
No,
I
no.
know that in our school chocolates.
Chocolates are not allowed. Okay.
So, will you bring the chocolates with you tomorrow?
Yes.
Don't show it to anybody, any of your friends. While you come down to the assembly, no, as soon as you come, hand them over to this
Give it to me,
teacher.
I will arrange it in a tray and keep.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Good. Anything else?
No.
No? Okay, fine. Oh, okay.
Father.
Yeah.
Thank you, Father.
Yes. Okay, shake hands with the teacher and you can go.
Good girls, huh? Very nice. Another?